Hi Pisces, welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader Pisces. So, gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading. Current energy check-in for the month of June 2024. Ginawa natin itong reading na to sa kasalukuyan as of 4:56 p.m. at June 30, 2024. So, current energy check-in to. So, it was supposed to be done last week kasi nagkasakit ako, guys. So, anyway, this is a current energy check-in for the month of June and maaaring mag-resonate onto the next 3 to 6 months. And sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga subscribers natin, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta na inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings, okay? And as you know, this is collective reading, so maaaring mag-resonate onto certain collective. And if not, I will tap into your energy next time, okay? Pisces, i-shuffle ko lang ulit yung mga cards in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Hi Pisces, so welcome back again. So gawin na natin ang yung Tagalog reading at gagamitin natin ang Oracle deck na The Sacred Self-Care Oracle. Okay, so kukuha tayo ng 7 cards para sa inyong reading, but I'll cut this 3 times first, no? Kasi ginawa natin sa ibang cards. And another one, as usual, before kung kunin yung 7 cards nyo. So, are you ready, Pisces? Okay? So, sa first card, Pisces, sex daw, S-E-X. Okay? And then, sing. And then, sweet treat. Yung card na to sa una, I think sa inyo lang lumabas, Pisces, no? And then, aromatherapy. Read. I think these are repeating cards. Iba-iba lang ng placement. Except for the first one. Ayan. I think yung meditate, I'm not sure, no? Parang ngayon lang lumabas din yan. And at the center, nourish your temple. I think, hindi ko na maalala. I think lumabas din yan one time, no? A different placement yan. Or maaaring nasa gitna rin yun. I just don't know kung anong zodiac siya. Anyway, umpisa na natin Pisces. No? So, first card is S-E-X, no? So, ito yung bagay na kailangan mong i-let go or bagay na finally dapat ini-embrace natin, no? So, choose whatever resonates here. For some of you, no, maaaring yung addiction sa bagay na to is kailangan na nating i-let go, okay? If you're super addicted or so into that physical intimacy, ang sinasabi is about to let go. But if for some of you naman na kung medyo na-deprive tayo lately, is about time, no, to engage into something intimate and sensual, no, because it will benefit you as a human being also, and it helps, no, in deepening the connection, diba? Ako, I agree with that, no, between two people. But it's bad, like I said, you need to let go if ginagawa mo to sa iba't ibang tao, no, just casually. I don't know, it's just my perspective or whatever yung channel natin dito kasi is something na kailangan pakawalan eh. And, or kailangan mong finally embrace. So, choose which side kayo doon. Okay? Now, sa second position nyo naman, Pisces, nandiyan ng sing. So, yung kailangan may pagpatuloy. You could be singing. Okay? Sing to the rhythm of love or life, no? Doesn't have to be literal na singing. Medyo, siguro lang, you're in tune, no, sa agos ng buhay right now, which is good. So, yung kailangan pagpatuloy, when you sing, diba, sa tawag ng babaeng to, may hawak na brush, and then, parang ginagamit niya yung brush as a microphone, no? Okay? So, ang energy dito sa kailangan ipagpatuloy daw is sing, has something to do with communication, with being vocal, with being open. Pero when you speak or when you want to say something or want to communicate something, no, parang kumakanta tayo, no, we're trying to send a message. So speak with value, with sense. Yun yung kailangan may pagpatuloy. Maybe ikaw na yan eh. Whenever you speak, you don't really speak for nonsense, no, kasi sometimes in song, diba, people communicate through songs. Pwedeng ganun ka rin. Doon nila na ipapaiwatig yung mga nararamdaman nila at mga ninanais nila. So, continue doing that, Pisces. Now, Sa third position, pasensya na nagkasakit ako like I said. So, kung umuubo ako sa part ng video na to while recording, please bear with me. Okay? Now, manifestation position, nandiyan ang sweet treat, okay? Kung makikita mo itong babae na to, naka-close ang eyes niya pag nagma-manifest, no? And then, nagtitiwala lang siya sa sensation niya, yung other senses niya, the sense of smell, the sense of taste, yung hearing as well, and yung maybe yung other sensations like touch, no? But anyway, ang point dito is that you can manifest things that are nice, okay, that are sweet. Okay, yun sinasabi sa'yo. When you want to manifest, make sure na ang mood natin, ang spirit natin, ating mga sensation, is nasa energy na may sense of parang fruitiness, sweetness, no? Just like itong mga cupcake na hawak niya at yung mga fruits na nasa taas at mga candy. So, manifest anything that's good and sweet and parang, alam mo yun, nakakapag-add ng delight, no? Nakaka-entice, okay? Don't manifest from the things or memories or ideas na and feelings na we are sour graping, okay, no? Na malungkot, okay, that's sad. Okay, walang ganong manifestation dapat, okay? Kasi try to picture it out na if ito lumabas sa reality mo, is this something ba na gusto mo? 'Di ba hindi naman. So always think sweet things, sweet memories, okay, with the person or with situations, okay? It's a matter of perspective. Ngayon sa position 4, nandyan ang aromatherapy, no? So, nakita mo to, may energy ka lagi nang nakapikit. So, it's not about yung feeling sensation mo, why do I feel like, it doesn't have to be, kailangang nakikita mo, okay? Parang nakapikit sila. See? Eyes closed. So, ito naman si aromatherapy, sensation sa smell. Okay then? Flowers here, nandito may mga diffuser, essential oil, or orange fruits, mga citrus, lavender, I think, and plants, no? So, ang sinasabi dito sa external energies mo, use your other sensations, no? Pakiramdaman mo yung external energies mo na nakaka-influence sa'yo, no? So, it doesn't have to be parang kailangan mong makita para malaman, no? Sometimes it's just the feeling, no, that can support your parang mga assumptions, no, and sensations. And make sure na yung mga nararamdaman nating external influences sa atin, you feed your body, no, your sensation ng mga mababango at magagandang mga energies, no, kasi alam mo yung aromatherapy, they carry a certain scent, di ba? Parang sa energy, they carry a certain frequency. So, you have to make sure, siyempre hindi man natin gusto yung naamoy natin is mabaho, di ba? Ganun din sa energy. Kailangan, ang gusto natin nakapaligid sa surrounding natin is yung mga energy na uplifting ba? Ang taas ng vibration, no? Sino ba naman gusto ng energy na nasa paligid mo na lagi may nagtatalo, may nag-aaway, di ba? Okay, I hope I'm making sense here. Ngayon, yung kailangan mo namang para mag-benefit ka is daw magbasa. Nakita mo itong babaeng to, nagbabasa. So, something that magbe-benefit ka, no, Pisces, from the next 3 to 6 months from today, no, current energy check in June onwards, is kailangan mo na mag-seek ng knowledge, deeper knowledge, skills, acquire new skills, or hobby, no, something na hindi mo pa alam, siguro kailangan mo palalimin yung pag-aaral mo doon, or something na kailangan nagma-master ka. It could also be exams, no, mag-upskill, could also be mga certifications, or a new learning lang na walang kinalaman sa career mo, but more like for parang self-improvement or deeper knowledge, like if you're into metaphysical or tarot, di ba, gusto mo mag-explore ng topic na to, then go on. So, yung sinasabi dito, doon ka magbe-benefit. Gusto mo matuto about law of assumption, then learn. Diba? So, yun, never stop learning, ang sinasabi dito, Pisces. Okay? And then, feed your mind. Sa new beginnings mo, nandito ang meditate. So, there are things na mga bagong simula mo na kailangan mag-take off, diba? But at the same time, hindi siya minamadali. Mga new beginnings mo, make sure na pinag-iisipan mo maigi. Okay? Kasi pag sinabi mong meditate, it's not just yung logical, no? It's more about weighing pa yung deeper reasons, diving deep. Ano ba yung mga bagong simula na gusto mong marating sa buhay mo. So, hindi siya padalos-dalos na new beginnings, okay? Contemplate and be more parang intuitive, no? And learn to see things from different angle, okay? Para magkaroon ka ng mga bagong simula na talagang meant for you, okay? At sinasabi lang dito, dapat walang energy na hasty or nagmamadali ka, alright? And then at the center, Pisces, nandiyan ang nourish your temple, earth energy to. Ito, mag-green ng babae, parang si Mother Gaia or Mother Earth, may mga plants sa katawan niya. And then, meron ditong pa-spiral na maybe chakra and flowers and hearts, no? So, nourish your temple. Your soul is, your physical body is actually temple ng soul mo. Okay, so, ang tingin ko dito is that kailangan mo i-nourish yung feminine or motherly energy mo as well kasi babae siya. Okay, kaya nandyan din ang sex. Okay? So, it's about time for you maybe to appreciate the body that you have, your beauty, and also make sure na you are nourishing your soul and your physical body at the same time. Okay? Because your physical body ang katawan, ang tirahan ng soul mo, and your soul is who you really are. Okay? So, nourish both, hindi pwedeng maiwanan ang isa. Okay? Hindi pwedeng puro physical beauty, physical look, pero what's in the inside is more important, di ba, than the outside. So, Pisces, no, sana nag-resonate kayo sa ating monthly Tagalog reading check-in. Natapos ang reading nyo sa ganap na 5:09 p.m. at June 30, 2024. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. See you on your next month Tagalog reading, Pisces. Take care, God bless, and mahal ko kayo. Bye!